Welcome to video 6.4, Formatting Dashboards. In the previous video, we completed our report makeover by cleaning up labels and number formats. In this video, we're going to revisit our strategic dashboard to explore the formatting options available for dashboards. We'll then create a tailored layout for mobile. Open up the Power BI service in your web browser and open the strategic dashboard we built in section 5. If you click the ellipsis, there's a dashboard theme option. Let's check out the dark theme, as it is close to what we were going for last video on the report side. Click Save. Note that our image tiles that we used for titles retain their white background color. That's a disappointment, but we have to work with what we've got, so instead, let's just add some contrast to the light theme. Back to Dashboard Theme, and set it back to light so we can use that as a basis for a custom theme. Now choose Custom. Once again, avoid background images unless you're required to watermark a dashboard. Let's try that 50% darker color we were using on the reports. You'll notice that the tile background colors don't affect the image tiles here either, so we'll leave them white. Tile font color is hit and miss too. You can see it applied here, not there, so we will leave that at default. I imagine this will improve with future versions of the Power BI service. One feature we haven't explored yet is phone view. It's important to consider how your dashboards will be viewed on mobile, especially for the executive class, like this strategic dashboard. C-level executives often have days where the only screen they have time to look at is their phone. So click on Web View and choose Phone View. The phone view cleverly stacks your tiles in a single vertically scrolling column. Users need only swipe up. However, unlike social media, you do not want to create an endless scroll. In fact, you need to be extremely judicious about what appears above the fold, that is, on the first screen, what appears below the fold when the user swipes up, and what just doesn't appear at all. In other words, your primary responsibility here is prioritizing. KPIs definitely belong up top. Title, tile image holders are pretty much just dashboard junk in this case, so they can be unpinned. Click the Hide Tile icon in the top right corner of the RX image to unpin the tile. Same for the attribution links and the groceries tile. None of those are of interest to your boss when she's in the cab on the way to the airport. She wants essential at-a-glance information only. With that in mind, the other KPI should be above the fold too, so drag it up. We can also make the KPIs shorter so that we can fit one more visual above the fold. And if we drag the bullet chart up, we can make it taller. I would then drag it back to the bottom. So what do we have? KPIs, funnel, map, bullets. KPIs and funnel are completely above the fold, with a hint of the map as a cue to scroll for more. Not bad at all. Well, that about wraps up our exploration of Power BI's formatting capabilities. Next video will conclude the course with some final thoughts and next steps.